in male reproductive system, you have the scrotal sac surrounding the testicle. Inside the testicles are where the sperm cells go through spermatogenesis to mature. Inside there are the testicles is the seminiferous tubules where spermatogenesis takes place. Once the sperm cells have matured, they make their way up through the epididymis, this crescent-shaped structure here, and then they travel through the vas deferens here during ejaculation. So follow this all the way around. And this is the prostate gland. This is the seminal vesicle, which is an accessory structure of the male reproductive system along with the prostate gland. So as the sperm cells travel through the vas deferens, I'm going to rotate this around so you can see the inside of the prostate gland. This is called the ejaculatory duct. That's joined by the prostatic urethra here, and then this muscle called the urogenital diaphragm is where the external sphincter muscle controlling urine flow from the bladder. So you have internal sphincter, external sphincter in the urogenital diaphragm. Also over here, this area that's been whited out is called the Cowper's gland or bulbourethral gland. So you have three accessory structures: seminal vesicle, prostate gland outside, and look at the prostate gland from the inside, as well as the seminal vesicles. The names of the ducts include ejaculatory duct here, prostatic urethra here, membranous urethra here, and the remainder is all called penile urethra. The opening is called the external urethral orifice. Over here you have the corpora cavernosum, which is the erectile tissue. This is the spongy urethra, or penile urethra. You have the glans penis at the end of the penis, which is the area called the corona, or head. The smegma, the prepuce, has been removed during circumcision. And the same thing on the inside. This is the seminiferous tubules, which is where spermatogenesis takes place. So, testes, epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, prostate gland, Cowper's gland, ejaculatory duct, prostatic urethra, membranous urethra, penile urethra, external urethral orifice. On the female model, here you can see the uterus. The neck is called the cervix, and this is the uterosacral ligament right here. This is the sacrum. So this ridge here has been cut, so that will come out around over here, and one on the opposite side supporting the uterus. On the anterior side, you have the round ligament here attached to the anterior abdominal wall. So you'll have the round ligament on this side and come around to the opposite side, stabilizing it. You can also see deep down in here the fallopian tube, right, and the isthmus where the fallopian tube connects to the body of the uterus. You can also see the ovarian ligament over here. On the same, or on the opposite ovary, you can see the same structures. This is the fembrae, this is the infundibulum, and this is the isthmus where the fallopian tube connects to the body of the uterus. Here you can also see the ovarian ligament. The outer layer of the uterus is called the perimetrium. The thick muscular part is called the myometrium, and this is the endometrium that's responding to the changes in levels of progesterone. This is the vagina, which is a muscular tube, and the opening to this cervix is called the external os. Inside the external os you have the cervical canal, and then you have the internal os here leading to the uterine canal. You have the vestibule, which guards the area for the urethral opening. You have the labia minor and major guarding the access to the vagina. And I think that's it for this, because I got a lot of it on that model over there. Did I miss? I didn't miss anything. I don't think so. If I did, just let me know when you're going through your sheet, and I'll show you where it is. Okay?